me. People want to kill me in my own heritage or heritage that I get from my own father. It can never work. It's not easy your way. It can never work. Give me more. Okay now. Isaac, where is that full nothing brother of yours called Apabo? Where is he?
No, you see the problem, the most problem I used to have with you is that when you start behaving so rational,
Jesus.
When you start behaving so rational, like a matter of fact, landlord, he traveled.
Yes. Oh, I see he traveled. Ebere, where is your neighbor called Ibebe? Where is he?
Landlord, or whatever you call yourself. Am I the only one in this compound?
So wait, so it has been to this extent that you can go your mouth like a motorcycle or bicycle wave, eh? I can see. So Ebere, it's because of that small touch that I was just trying to.
So wait, Oga landlord.
Sorry.
Oh, Oga landlord, they pay me legi. So wait, don't tell me you brought us out, this congregation of people. You just brought us out here to come and feed us with your love fairy stories, Abi.
Praise the Lord. I guys don't be. Can you praise the Lord? I just want to.
One more pin from you, eh? I'll just shoot you to the
My own house.
Make
a try.
I'm more here.
Hey, Isaac, what are people trying to?
Ogala, allow me to do with this boy. Ogala, are you blind? I don't think this one. Oh, I can see. It's obvious. Let me go.
Oh, tenant.
Look at you.
What's your mouth? What's your mouth? I'm not
I swear. If you don't see that day by the count of 3, I'm fucking slander.
Hey,
It's okay, no noise. Everybody sit down. I'm angry.
it is because of you. Oh my God, and about these small boys and get it. Ask them who I am. I am wild to fire. Oh my God, and about get it.
Opo, can you look at this sophisticated, sympathetic?
My own house.
Oh, what will I use this adulterous parrot? He's still talking back at me. But you have the guts to talk better. In this yard,
he's
still bearing the
I said it's okay because if I hear one more pim, I said pim. People will see my right back of side now. It's not even this thing. People see my right back of side. Try me again. Let's now go straight to the point. As you all can see, we have 2 new tenants here. And introduce yourself close.
Praise the Lord.
You a monkey.
Okay, now we landlord na try na ya da.
Well, you see, Mbi, why not save us this your dramatical trauma and just go straight to the point? Why not save us? Hey, one this thing like this, 2 seconds. I'm back here, don't even begin. You are not the first person to own a land.
It's okay, I don't tell you. I can see you are there in my own house. This is my father's heritage. Stop it. Please continue.
As you all know, my names are Okwachinaka Yonaba.
Can you put it to this connect? Can you listen? He has something important to say.
It's okay now, it's okay. Next.
My name is
Landlord, me, I should
I said it's okay. Now sit down. There's no water in my mouth, so I sit down. It's okay.
Is this your brother?
It's okay. It's okay. Let's move straight to the point. The reason I call this meeting is Peter, you bring 50,000 naira because the toilet is say you already a sheet. The people don't food. You go bring 50,000 naira.
Abasimbo, me, you must be dreaming to think of such.
How you see it? If I now allow this cassava stem to live with you, it is the time as a bad landlord now. You can see it now. You can see it. Ordinary 50,000, small money, small token. He's there trying there. No problem.
Okay, landlord, let me ask you. Is he the only one making use of the toilet?
Only one man. I drink 4 times a day.
Is he the only person?
No.
As a matter of fact, if Itoro have shit,
This is my house.
Itoro have making use of the toilet.
Is that the great?
Yes, the great.
Oh. Okay.
Come here. Officer, these are the 2 rascals that stole my 200,000 naira. May I arrest?
Yeah?
Now.
Sir, please, you must be joking for wanting me to arrest these fools.
No. Officer! Hey!
Yeah, who came? Let him make it to the chota this house. How did you find this house?
Iboroji comes Sikwado. You don't know how prepared I am.
Bia, ana oge plantain trophist. Ana oge rapist. They are working. Let me just tell you one thing, eh? You see, what even the minute? What even the minute?
If you go to Shibafu, I run for his life.
Ana told you.
You 2 rascals with my 200,000 naira have the guts to shout at me a bit. If I come back here again,
We are not afraid of you. Where you get me?
do you know who I am?
Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
Who are you?
A philanthropist, Mr. Zonka, a lion of.
Welcome, J Guardian.
I'll be back for you. Lion of Fomo back on the hair and I come Yayambo. If I come back here again,
You want to know me? I am Asita. I am Asita. And my father, what's that my father's name again?
Come and say winter.
I am the only son of Matthew Winter.
If you like, be the only son of the lion. What I'm telling you is that if I come back here next week and you do not provide my 200,000,
Okay, but where you get me?
I'll talk to you.
Plantain trophy. Plantain trophy. Where you get me?
I will go to my shrine. If I come back here next week, I'll give you
Shrine.
I am shrine myself.
No problem.
I am a shrine.
Shrine yourself.
I will deal with you.
Taka Holum.
I will deal with you.
Back here.
A flame.